I use this scroll saw to make these wood cutouts just in time for the holidays. Here's how. Let's dive in. First step is to trace the stencil onto the wood. And I'm doing this on 1/4-inch plywood just to give it a raised look. And with a Mylar and Cricut, you can use whatever pattern you find and make it a template for woodworking. And we're going to start with those holes first so we have more meat to steer with. Then we'll go up and we'll trim out the shape of the letters. So you saw a last video on how to change the blade on a scroll saw. Well, once you have that skill mastered, you could thread this right down through there. Step 2 is follow the line with the scroll saw. Then once you get all your inside loops cut out, it's time to do the outside. Remember, more starts and stops means more sanding. The thicker the wood, the faster you're going to have your blade and the slower you're going to have to go. Once the patterns are cut out, now we go to do sanding. Now we apply 2 coats of paint. Attach some jute. With a hot glue gun, it makes gluing up real quick. If this has been helpful, click the image on your screen now for more holiday decorations.